Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Philips Hue bulb without application in 2026. Now on your Philips Hue bulb, the most common way is using a power cycle. For that, you just have to first of all turn the bulb on and then off multiple times in a specific pattern. Usually switching it off and on about 5 to 6 times quickly will trigger a reset. If it is done correctly, the bulb will blink and change the brightness to confirm the reset. Now, if this doesn't work, you can try the next method, in which if you have a hue dimmer switch, you can just simply reset the bulb without the application. You just have to simply press and hold that particular button for about 10 seconds. Then the bulb will blink in order to confirm that it has been reset. If you don't have the switch, then you can try the next option. If your bulb was previously connected to Alexa, you can try rediscovering it. For that, you just have to open the Alexa application and run device discovery. Sometimes this reconnects and even resets the bulb automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.